Hey guys, it's Amber and welcome back to another quick tutorial. I wanted to do something about organizing your digital files on Ali Edwards' website. A lot of people don't know that you can rearrange things on here, and I just wanted to show people some of the things that you can do. So when you are logged into your account, you can go over here and click on My Account, and you can do some things under My Digital Files and My Classes. So under My Digital Files, I have created 12 different files here, and I actually was taking a peek at some of these things under extras and realizing that I need to kind of rearrange a few things. But these are based on the way my brain works, and your brain might work a little bit differently. So I have a Christmas folder, full kits, which is what I consider an entire kit. I've got travel related things because that's my jam. Summer related things, holidays that are not Christmas, extras, my just right words, day in the life and week in the life related things, digital stamps, which I created basically because even though they are with the full kits, they drop the digital kits into your files and I needed somewhere to store them. The quarterly scrapbooking kits, I decided to create one for Stories by the Month 2022 by itself because I wanted them all organized, and this is one that just dropped in and it's brand new. Down here, all the files that I have never organized just because I wasn't sure where to put them or I never really had a category for them. But right here, these bottom 12 to 13, including this guy, are ones that I need to categorize. So one thing that I noticed here is that this is a journal card replacement and it's from the November Stories by the Month kit. So what that tells me is there must be some sort of typo on the physical card that we are not aware of. So what I'm going to do is show you how I move these around. Sorry, let me scroll back down here. I needed to do that. So let me click on the very bottom one and we'll work our way backwards. So when you click on one of these, if you need or choose to download the kit at this time, you can do so. I'm going to click on download. It's going to start doing that in the background of my photo, or on my computer. On the left-hand side here, right now, none of the categories are selected. I am going to change this to Stories by the Month 2022 and move it to that folder. Right now, November is in this folder. I'm going to go back. I'm going to click the X. If I would happen to refresh this, you can see that that folder is now gone. I'm going to do the same thing with my Just Right. I'm going to download it, move it to my Just Right words, move it to that folder. And there it is down here at the bottom right. If you're ever like wanting it to be gone, you can click refresh in between all of these. I tend to just download and move and then like refresh if I feel like I need to. So I'm just going to keep on moving here. And these are add-ons for October. So these are two. This one's from the history kit, this one's from the history kit, and then this one's technically November Stories by the Month. So you can decide how you want to organize that, or you could do something like put it under extras. Right now, I will probably put it under probably Stories by the Month 2022, so that I know what to do with it. Or well, see, I don't like putting things under full kits because you can't rename things, and I might not remember that this is from history. And I'm not going to have a history going forward. So that might be something that I would put under extras. But for now, we'll move it to Stories by the Month. I could move that again at a later date. I don't feel the need to download this one currently. So we're just going to move it and clear it out of our way. I'm going to just do a little refresh. This is a free download that came with the history kit, so I'm also going to add that to extras. I don't feel the need to download that currently. This is all stuff from the or sorry, the Stories of Christmas Past kit. So I don't want to download that all right now, but I'm going to move it to Christmas. That way it's organized. And these are all free things that were given to us, or like this was, you know, a freebie at one point, or downloads, or kit pieces that I have bought. There's just so much fun goodness in there. This way, when I am ready to work on this kit, it's already been downloaded and organized into the correct place, and I don't have to search through the classroom to find it. And I will be showing you how you can organize your classes as well. Okay. Almost there. So here I will just move that into digital stamps. This history kit will get moved to full kits. I don't need to download it yet until I'm ready to work on anything that might need a hybrid version. And then finally, this little guy will move to Stories by the Month because it is a digital replacement. And I do need to download that so that I can save it into that kit. So I know I have the correct one. So once I've refreshed, now you can see that all of that has been moved. Now, for some reason, history is in here twice for me. I'm not sure why, but I can go here, click on edit folder, and now I can delete the folder. And now that will have gone. So just like your files, you can also organize your digital class content. So I have Christmas classes, travel classes, my story classroom, day in the life and week in the life. I have my 3 Hello Stories all together here, individual classes, and hybrid classes all together. So under individual, just to give you an idea, I have Storyology, we've got Subscriber Day, Story of Self, just things that, you know, are random little classes that don't necessarily have others that are similar. So these are down here ones that I maybe haven't looked through yet or need to move. So I have this history class here, which I have actually watched all of them. So now I am ready to actually just simply drag and drop that into my story classroom. So I move all of them in there when they're finished. The Stories of Christmas Past, while I have gone through and looked at all of Allie's content, Pam's content hasn't dropped yet. So I'm going to leave that one there. Otherwise, I would drag and drop that to Christmas. Prep Day as an ambassador, that's already been dropped into my classroom. So same with Product Play. These haven't started yet, so I won't move those. The Stories of Autumn, that one I would probably move into individual classes. Community is another one. I actually think I needed to go through and finish watching a couple of these. I need to check. Yeah, I needed to watch the guest storytellers, and I think that's why I hadn't moved them yet. And Crystal's process video. I think at the time I just didn't have time to watch it all. So I try to leave them as a reminder for myself not to, oops, and for some reason this bounced back. It's not a very good example if it came back. So I hope you'll find that helpful as an easy way to organize all your content on Allie's site. It makes it a little bit easier for me to find my information. And just a reminder, a lot of people will post on the website and say, hey, I can't find my class, and they click here on classes. You can't click on classes and find your class. As soon as you see pricing, there's an issue. Go to my classes and then bam, you are ready to go. So hopefully this was helpful. Thanks so much. Bye for now.